What's up, people? MrFalliorsLife here, bringing you another video. Damn, man, I am so sick of this. This stupid depression crap. It's weird, like, I'm not tired, right? I'm just depression tired. To where, like, you're awake, right? And you're wide awake, right? But because of how depressed you are, you still feel like you need to go to sleep. Has anybody felt like that before? Where they're like wide awake, but because of their depression, they need to sleep? Like, I don't know. It's weird. What the heck is that sound? Do you guys hear that? I don't know if you can hear that on the camera. Okay, has anybody's phone charger ever made that noise before? Hold on. Let's see. I have the microphone up right next to it. See if you can hear it. Do you hear that? It almost sounds like a cooling fan inside of the charger. The charger isn't really hot. It's just like the very, very tiniest bit warm. It's a fast charger thing, like an official one from Blue. So it's not like, I don't know if that makes a difference, like a regular charger compared to a fast charger. If the fast charger, because it's charging the phone like at a super speed compared to a regular charger, if it actually needs a cooling fan inside the thing to keep it from overheating. I don't know. It's making a weird noise, like or something. That's weird. It doesn't do it all the time, just sometimes. If anybody knows what that is, let me know. At least it gave me a topic for the video. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.